A red dot, nothing special. Yet the moment it touches the floor, a transformation occurs. Two eyes lock onto it, a tail swishes in anticipation. Every muscle in the body coiled and ready, focused intensely on that one spot. The cat doesn't move. He waits. His entire being is locked onto that red dot. Nothing else exists in this moment. No sound, no other distractions. Only one target. Do you see it? That is the power of focus. In your life, 1,000 things demand your attention. Your phone, social media, the noise, the doubts, the fears, the expectations, the people who try to pull you in 100 different directions. And every time you allow yourself to be distracted, you lose your energy, your focus, and you become scattered. Starting 100 different projects and initiatives, but never finishing any of them because you have spread yourself too thin. But if you can learn to do what this cat does, if you can train yourself to see one target and lock onto it and shut out everything else, then nothing can stop you. Because where your attention goes, your energy flows, and where your energy flows, success will always follow. We are always bombarded with messages telling us to do more, to be more, to buy more, to achieve more. But what if the secret to success is actually found in doing less, in focusing on a single goal with unwavering precision? This is the red dot. It could be anything. For a cat, it might be a toy or a bird or a string or a bug. Doesn't matter what it is, only that the cat is focused intently on the target. For you, the red dot could be your business, your health, your fitness, your finances, your relationship, your spirituality. Doesn't matter what it is, only that you are just as focused on achieving it. When you have the red dot, when you have that goal, that dream, that target, that vision, that mission, that objective, that desire, that craving, that ambition, that hunger, that drive, you must lock onto it. Shut out the noise. Ignore the distractions. Tune out the world. You don't need to run in every direction. You only need to run in one. You don't need to chase every butterfly. You only need to catch one. As human beings, we naturally multitask. We are always trying to do 2 or 3 things at once. We think we are being productive, but we are only fooling ourselves. We are actually reducing our ability to focus, and we are sacrificing our ability to produce. The key to success is to focus on one thing at a time and to give it your full attention. When you focus on one thing, you are able to give it your full attention. When you give it your full attention, you are able to do it better. When you do it better, you are more likely to succeed. So find your red dot, find your focus, find your goal, and when you do, hold on to it for dear life. Ignore the noise, ignore the distractions, tune out the world. Be like the cat, be still, be patient, be precise, be relentless, be focused, and when a moment is right, leap. Leap with all your strength, leap with all your power, leap with all your faith. Because with enough focus, you can catch any dream. With enough focus, you can achieve any goal. With enough focus, you can become anything. Are you ready to find your focus? Are you ready to find your goal? Are you ready to find your red dot? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.